Hi, my name's Chris Sparshot. So I'm just going to walk you through using the recorder here. So what I'm going to do is just show you the outline of the application. Is we have an Excel spreadsheet with some columns. We're going to go through each row and we're going to input these three pieces of information. And then once we've done that, we're going to extract these pieces of information here, the account number and transaction number. So here we are clicking the record button. Going to start the recording, got to flick the right window, there it is. And we're just going to go through that process now. It's a pretty cool process, this one, around selecting the fields and the anchors. And also I can put in some dummy data here as well. So let's just go through this. So that's the first one. We're going to do a type into. Happy with that. I'm going to do the next field, again, another type into. It's really good how it selects the anchor automatically. I'm going to confirm. The thing going to happen is we're going to click. You can't quite see it on the screen, but it's giving me a bunch of options. One of those is click. I'm going to do click, and then and I'm just going to accept the anchor. There it is. And then what we're going to do is just extract these people. So I'm going to get text. Select the anchor this time. Happy with that. And I'm going to select and extract, get the text for the transaction number. And that's our recording. So what I'm going to do is come over here and save it. That's our Studio X environment. Just sort of drag this over a bit so you can see it a bit better. So what are we going to do? So I'm going to do some Excel wizardry. So I'm going to use Excel. So let me select the Excel file. There it is. I'm going to go for each row. So let's put that one in. So for Excel, I select sheet 1. Those not sure, so sheet 1. This is the name of the file. And it does have headers, so that helps. That recording. Let me just grab it. Maybe I'll make it a bit smaller for myself, a bit easier. Or maybe not. Just drag that up. There you go. So it says get an Excel file. Read in the Excel sheet 1. It's got headers, and for each of the rows on those headers, we're then going to perform these tasks. So it's going to open up an application. We're going to put cash in. So this is from an Excel spreadsheet. Got cash in. I'm going to do honors check. So I'm going to go selecting the header for each of these entries. Not honors check. Click on accept. Hopefully that will work just fine. I'm going to get this text. This is the account number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save that into account number. And the transaction ID, I'm going to save that into the transaction number. And that's kind of it. And then what we're going to do is go for each line again. So it's going to grab that details and go all the way to the beginning and start again. So let me save that and let me run that and see how we go. I should bring the application to the front, and it's processing our data. Clicking accept. What I'm going to do is be a bit naughty, bring that over here. Oh, not letting me do that. But you can see it's going through each of the rows, and then we've got one more row at the end, which is cash in at 60. Okay, so it should accept, grab the details, and it's finished, it's running, and okay. There are the account numbers, all the same, but the transaction numbers are different. So how about that? That's building an automation in less than 3 minutes.